Hi guys, my name is Kalpana Raipati. Welcome to my channel Raipati Tableau. In this video, we'll be discussing what is the difference between a normal filter and context filter. Why we need a context filter in Tableau. So to solve this issue, we'll solve a simple scenario. What is that scenario is, I want top 10 customers in the West region. This is the requirement. So here I'm having customer list and sales. So out of all these customers from the West region who are all in the top 10 list, that is the requirement I need to achieve here. So to get that one, bring your region to the filter shelf and select West and click on OK. Okay, let me take the labels also. Now see, these are all the customers in the West region. 686 marks, that means 686 customers are there in West region. And this I want top 10 customers. So how to select top 10? Even if you can get the requirement like this also, but this is a manual way. So how we'll perform using top analysis filters? In filter shelf we are having top analysis filters, right? How we can solve this using that filter shelf? Let me take customer name, and now what I'm taking here is region, selecting West. Okay, now again in this 686 you need top 10 customers. So now bring your customer name to the filter shelf, use all, top, by field, sales, sum. Click on sort, click on T to get the labels. See, if you go to sheet 1, these are the top 10 customers in the West region. But if you go to sheet 2, you are expecting top 10 customers. First, you haven't got 10 customers, you got only 7 marks. That means only 7 customers details you got. And in this also, if you observe with this customer list with the sheet 1 customer list, there is nowhere matching the customers. Nowhere you are getting the result as expected in sheet 2. What is happening? Why you are not getting the expected result? Why? Because here to get your customer list in the West region, you applied 2 filters. The first filter is on the region equal to West, and on the and again customer name, on the customer name you applied the filter top 10 by sales sum. See here in Tableau what happens means, whenever you applied any filter, all the filters will work independently. What that means? Here when you have taken region equal to and West, this query will go and hit the database and it will fetches the data. And again, when you apply top 10 analysis on the customer name in the filter shelf, again this query will go and hit the database and again it will fetches the data. Then what is this final output? This final result what you are seeing here is the intersection of these two data sets, intersection of the final outputs of these two filter shelf data, whatever the intersection data is there, right? That common data, that is what you are getting as an output after applying these 2 filters. But is this what you are expecting? This is not the final top list, right? This is what you need to get it. How to get that one? Well, first we will verify whether we are getting intersection of these 2 or not. See, let us see. Again I am taking new sheet, customer name, sales. Here I am applying only region equal to West. I am applying region equal to West and I am naming it as region filter. Region filter. And again I am taking new sheet, customer name and sales. Bring customer name to the filter shelf, use all, top 10. Okay, so this is top 10 filter. Okay, So what I'm saying is that in sheet 2 what you are having after applying these two filters, the data what you are getting here is the intersection of these two. The first, this region filter data set here what you are having, this top 10 filter what you are having. So see, let me show you. Go to sheet 2. Here you are having Jane Wacko, Fred Hopkins, Christopher Conant. Here you are having some 7 marks, right? If you go to top 10 filters, all these list what you have got here, all these customers are there in this list. If you observe here, Jane Wacko, Greg Tran, Christopher Conant, Fred Hopkins. Okay, so you are getting out of these 10, 7 are from whatever they are there in this 7 list, right? All those 7 customer details are there in this 10 customers list. And if you go to this region filter data set, if you apply the filter and if you just check whether the customers are there in the list or not. For that I am using the wildcard and the match value is, I am taking contains and the match value is Conant. When you click on apply, so this customer is there. Again apply the filter on the same. Now try to check whether Wacko is there or not. So if you observe, Jane Wacko is also there. So with this you can get the conclusion that whatever the list you are getting here after applying 2 independent filters on the data set is the intersection of these 2 independent filters, that means region filter and top 10 filter. But this is not the final result what we are expecting. So what we need is again go back to sheet 2 where you apply 2 independent filters, that means region equal to west and top 10 customers. Now to get the exact result, turn this region equal to west filter to context by adding it to context. Right click on the region equal to west filter and add to context. Now see, you got your top 10 marks and again the result set got changed. And now go to sheet 1 and observe here this list with the sheet 2 list. Both the result sets are same, one and the same. Why? See here in sheet 1 what we have done, we have taken region equal to west and we selected this list manually. So these are the top 10 customers. This is what exactly we are getting in sheet 2 using context filters. So what is the mechanism behind context filters? Why we are getting exact results when we turn this to context filter? When you converted this normal filter region equal to west to context filter, this context filter will go and hit the database once. Okay, and it will fetches the data. That means if you remember when we applied this filter we got 686 marks. So that result, this result here I am taking of this 686 details you will be getting in the output of this region equal to west context filter. So then what happens here now is after you are applying on the customer name, you are applying top 10 analysis, right? So this filter will go and hit the output result of this context filter output. It will never go to this again, it will never go to your database and again it will never query the database directly. It will dependent on the context filter output. This context filter only the independent filter. Earlier all the filters are independent to each other. They are not depending on each other. Now after adding it to the context filter, all the other filters are the dependent filters on the context filter. This is exactly how you'll get your top 10 analysis perfectly using context filters. That is the main difference between a normal filter and context filter. Guys, if you like my video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel Rayapati Tableau. Thank you.